time to continue setting up the PC. The next thing we must do is we'll need to get some benchmarks done. Let's see this CPU Z application. This should help us, allow us to benchmark the CPU, or at least stress test it. CPU Z, what does it do? So it shows the clocks, core speed 4000, 3700 megahertz, 4000, multiplier 37. It varies 7 nanometers, AM4. Now let's stress test the bench the CPU first. Let's do, oh, for heaven's sake, get out of here. Let's do single thread bench. I think that's what it will do. Or I don't know, let's try. Oh, it's doing multi-thread. Maybe I need to change all cores. It's doing single thread as well. So single thread 594. AMD Ryzen 7 5700. Yes, perfect, exactly right. So it's doing, it is a brand new one. Let's see multi-threaded performance. And that's 6596. I think it's 16 threads. How many threads? 16, yeah. So we'll select 16. And it's 6596. Wow, it's not too far from the top. 6596. Oh, wow, the Ryzen 7 I think it's above other. Let's see 5700. 6048. 900, 500 above the let's see, above the average. See? So I'd say you'd want the lottery. What is it called? The silicon lottery. Whoever gets this PC, they've won the silicon lottery. Look at that, Ryzen 7 5700, 6048, 6596. That's brilliant. That's amazing. That's a success if you ask me. Both single thread and on single thread it's same as average, same as the other one, but on multi-threaded performance it beat it. It beat the one on the online. Look at that, 6048. So I'll take a screenshot of this. How do you take a screenshot? I've got this funky keyboard which I've just hooked up to it, so I'm struggling to find screenshot on there. Maybe this one. How do I take a screenshot with this? Oh, come on. There must be something. Oh, there it is, snipping to. Windows Shift S. Okay, that can go on the let's save that. That's brilliant. That's amazing. I think, let's see. I think we can monitor the $4,500 MHz, all 8 cores, 100% load. Temperature so far, max temperature 73 degrees. Looks good. Looks very good, in my opinion. Look at that. $74 degrees, it's not going above that. 6500 multi-threaded performance. That's really good. That's really good. Amazing. I'd say amazing. And soon we are gonna have a chance to test. As you can see, 6486, still around 6500, 100% performance, all 8 cores, 4500 megahertz, not overclocked, 74 degrees is max temperature. It would start throttling at 95, but it's staying steady on the 74 degrees. So the cooler is doing its job. It really came through, and the CPU is doing really well. Amazing. And this will just keep going. How long has it been going? It doesn't really time it, but the stress testing in CPU Z is just on non-stop. So what we're gonna do is we'll stop that now, and then the temperature drops instantly. So it was working on full throttle, 74 degrees max temperature. It's not gonna above 74 degrees. So that's comfortably using the CPU to maximum capacity and cooling it to 74 degrees. So next, let's see what the bench test does. Again, it goes up. And let's install Fortnite as well. Let's choose a... Will 80 gigs be enough? How much does it need? 138 gigs. So we'll have to use the 1 terabyte drive. Select folder. Let's do an Epic Games folder. And then within that Fortnite, let's install that as well. Accept. So Fortnite is being installed, and we are gonna see how well it works. Benchmark is done. 5700 single threaded performance 573, multi-threaded 6538. Fortnite is installing. Let's leave that. Core temps have gone down after the benchmark.